Hello everyone, welcome to our today's video. In this video, we will understand about the update from Google, which is basically the site reputation abuse manual actions have started, and these have started on May 6 onwards. So let me explain you what is this manual actions and how they are going to affect the different websites in the real world. So first thing you have to understand that what is manual actions and who will actually get affected. Now, as we have seen in the previous versions of our in the videos, I have explained you about the new updates of Google. So what is the goal of this update is, there were many reputed websites like news websites and reputed blogs and reputed industry websites. So what these companies were doing were, they were giving some of their pages or some of their folders or something for rent to third-party websites. And what these third-party websites were doing, they were creating content, they were creating updates on the website, and because of the brand value of that original website, all the subpages were actually ranking. So what Google have notified is, right now Google have started manual action. Now let me read out what exactly has been said by the SearchLiaison of Google. He said, pointing out that algorithm portion of the site reputation update policy is coming soon, and that enforcement is pure manual for now. Manual actions are when an actual human at Google personally review. Okay, so the idea of this update is, now any website who are, let us say, a news website, but they are giving the content related to some other like affiliate links or something related to that, so most probably those websites will get affected. And also, one of the update has been one of the thing which has been noticed by many SEO professionals is that many websites, many reputed websites in US market, they have already removed a lot of their content which was generally this kind of content. So before the update even happened, they have many websites have actually deleted the content so that they won't get negatively affected with this option. So now what should we do is, if you are having a website which is of good reputation, so make sure that you don't give it to some third parties for just for the purpose of getting some money. And also it will be very risky now if you are trying to do kind of blogging on kind of sponsored articles on big brands. So it can be a negative effect, because once Google manually checks that and feel that this content is not relevant to the page, there is a very high chance of getting affected with this update. So this is mostly for big brands who have a reputation, and they, if you are misusing that reputation, they maybe get affected with this update. So general websites are not going to really affect a lot from this website. I hope you have understood this particular concept, and if you have any questions, you can ask me in the comments below. Thank you very much.